You go, girl. Hey, hi everyone. What's up? I hope you're doing great and I hope you're doing fantastic. I'm new here. I'm a newbie. And I really want to learn more about MISAMO. I've seen her videos, like a lot of reactions, popped up on my YouTube page, and I decided to check out her video. I also heard she's blonde, and I do like females who have long, straight, blonde hair. Yeah, I'm a big fan of that. But the reason why I'm a fan of that, it's because I'm from Jamaica, where we Jamaicans tend to have Negro hair, right? Our hair do not go as tall as the blondes, but it depends on how the hair is being treated, right? So the reason why I'm here today, it's because I would like to learn more about MISAMO, right? I heard that she's very good at singing. I heard that she's a master at, giving us good quality music, and I'm all entitled for that, right? Because in Jamaica, I'm not aware of MISAMO music is being played, or if so, I'm not sure if anyone in my country, Jamaica, plays her music. But if anyone does play her music, well, I'm certainly the second or whatever, but for right now, I'm the first, right? But one question, do anyone who's watching this video knows the legend Bob Marley? Please let me know down in the comments, and let's see what MISAMO has to give us at this point. Peace. Wow.
I'm coming to you. This song is my song.
Okay, interesting females, bro. All right, I see some gorgeous females and some really cool dudes. All right, I'm loving the look. To be honest, I ain't gonna cap. She's gorgeous. She's beautiful. Her friends, along with the G's, everyone seems in good condition here, especially for the females. I'm only repping for the females, and these females look essentially beautiful, and also have an incredible voice as well. I gotta say, music is sweet. This music especially is very sweet. I mean, like, it's a very great music. We have also some beautiful family across here in this video, and they all looks amazing. My first time here, and I'm feeling welcome, bro. She's quite cute, bro. She's not just cute, she's adorable, right? And I do like to see females who look so adorable, bro. It breaks my heart to see, people criticizing others who are so beautiful, bro. And it's also enlightening to me to look at these wonderful looking female. Her blonde hair, it's gorgeous. It's something I can look on daily. I'm not a fan of her music, bro. That formation is neat. I do like this, bro. I do like this. This is really good.
I know what I want, who I am, my eyes.
Whoa, another group of dancing, beautiful looking females. Yes. Very great formation though. I gotta say, compliments on the formation. And these females, they look great in the red. I gotta say, you guys should keep on wearing the red because y'all look beautiful in it. Look out. Book up, book up. Oh my goodness. Yo, I gotta say, bro, amazing, amazing. This is an amusing video, an amusing video.
Yeah, want to feel yourself. Oh yeah, and it's me, myself, and I. Yeah, identity. Princess hero, queendom잖아. It's enough for me.
Oh my god, she's killing it, bro. No, she's killing it. She's killing it. She's killing it. Yo, this is astonishing.
Just to be myself. Everyone's royalty. 나를 힘을 take a trumpet. Vibe it in my beat. Dun dun. Yeah. You get it right. Don't matter than I am.
I ain't gonna lie. There are some amazing, talented people out there in the world, bro. And you know, I'm here to react to music. Apart from my Jamaican culture, my Jamaican diaspora, I'm here on a traveling, movement. Right? I'm here to travel to distant places apart from my country, Jamaica, to check out some of the most astonishing voices. It doesn't matter, the languages are whichever movement they do. But when it comes down to music, I'll partake. And trust me, bro, I'm loving the vibe here. It's giving me a welcome vibe.
Shining bright, pretty to kushigeki, feels so right.
I ain't gonna lie. Alright. These females look good. And also the dancing is also good. And also the sexy walk is also good. And also when we see people unite, right, come together in a video, right? Because we know nowadays we have people tend to do videos by themselves these days based on the rate of how things is going. But when we see people have a lot of unity in music, they come together, they are doing it by themselves together, then this is a bonus for me. I do appreciate this momentum in this music video. Trust me, bro. Identity, it fits it well, bro.
Yes, welcome, yeah. I know what I want, who I am, my identity. 달까지 날 shining now, my.
You go, girl. You females, go. Oh my, yo, the dance is, ain't no way. She's tall, she's neat, she's astonishing. Everyone here looks dope. Everyone here looks really dope. Amazing. Wonderful music, wonderful transitioning, right? Because, I do like to see this type of video. It's authentic and it's real. And I do like to see people shows out them realness, right? Oh, yo, her beauty catches my eyes. Her blonde hair catches my interest. Interesting. Whoa. This is one of the most beautiful females I've seen, and also one of the most beautiful songs I've encountered. Very great vocals and astonishing videography. The video is also clean and contrast as well. Amazing. Beautiful place too. Guys, I would love to know. Where in the world does this female came from? I would like to know, because this is one of the most beautiful parts of the world I've seen, bro. Trust me. Nice one, MISAMO. You've done well. I love this video. It's enjoying. And if you guys enjoyed my reaction, remember, leave a like on this video. Share this to a friend, telling him or her about this Jamaican react. And if you could, spam up you know, MISAMO's Instagram sharing her this video shows so she could understand that her music is not just in her country, but it's also in Jamaica as well. And I'm here to make some more discoveries of her songs, of her music, of her lifestyle, of her everything, or culture. Right? So stay tuned, guys, and I'll see you guys in the next MISAMO's reaction. Peace.